Welcome to Simply Math. Today I will discuss on quadratic equation with one variable. I have already discussed quadratic equation with one variable. Today we will discuss on method of Sridhar Acharya's method in quadratic equation. So in earlier class I had discussed on quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is general form of quadratic equation where a cannot be 0, and a, b, c all are real numbers. A, B, C all are real numbers and A cannot be 0. What is the general form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx. Now, what tells the Sridhar Acharya's method? What are the root of this equation? What are the roots of this equation? This method tells us that if an equation having this form, generic form, so value of the x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This will be the root of this equation. The value of x is this. Now, in this solution, x is equal to minus b plus minus. Therefore, the value of x, there is a two value of x. One is x is equal to minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, and another value is equal to minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So these are the two solutions of this equation. These are the two solutions of this equation. X is equal to minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, and another is minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. These are the two solutions of this quadratic equation, where the equation form is ax square plus bx plus c. A cannot be 0, a, b, c all are real numbers. Then we will get two solutions. Now here is some condition is there. What are the condition? Solution will be real number if solution we will get two sets of solution of real numbers if b square minus 4ac greater equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0 or equal to 0, then we will get two real number solution. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then we will not get any real number solution. So keep it remember, if b square minus 4ac greater equal to 0, then we will get real number solution. Now, here is a two condition is there. One is that b square minus 4ac greater than 0, and another condition is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. We mark this and we tell us b square minus 4ac greater or equal to 0. Now, if b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0, then we will get two equal real number solution. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we will get real number solution, but both the real numbers will be equal. And if it greater than 0, then we will get the real number solution, but may or may not be, it will not be equal, but it will be real number solution. Clear? So, till now what we have learned? We have learned if any quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and a cannot be 0 and b, a and c are real number, then the solution set is x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the Sridhar-Acharya's method. And b square minus 4ac greater or equal to 0, then we will get two real number solution. Either case, if b square minus 4ac less than 0, then we will not get real number solution. And if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then we will get two real number solution, and both will be equal. Now we will move to the problem. How Sridhar-Acharya's method implemented in the problem. We will learn how Sridhar-Acharya's method is implemented in Now we take one problem. Here is one problem: 4x square minus 4ax plus a square minus b square is equal to 0. We need to find the solution. Now we compare with this equation. With comparing these, what we get? We get a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 4a, and c is equal to a square minus b square. So what is the solution? Solution is, therefore x is equal to minus b. Minus b means minus 4a plus minus root over b square. B square means this minus 4a whole square minus 4 into a. A means 4 into c. C means this a square minus b square. by 2a. So what is this? Minus into minus plus 4a plus minus root over 16a square minus 16a square minus minus is plus 16b square by 2 into 4. 4a plus minus. There. 16b square by 2 into 4. Then up to 4a plus minus. এটা কি হবে 4b হয়ে যাবে 4b 2 into 4 4 কমন নিলে a plus minus b by 2 into 4 4 কেটে গেল therefore x is equal to x is equal to a plus b by 2 and another solution is x is equal to a minus b by 2. You have to write with comparing ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. With comparing, you just mark it 1 and 2. Comparing 1 and 2. Comparing 1 and 2, we get a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 4a, c is equal to a square minus b square. And then you will get the result. Just put the value of this with this formula and we will get the result. X is equal to a plus b by 2 and x is equal to a minus b by 2. Any equation you have take and just put the compare with the x square plus bx plus c and then put the value in this formula and you will get the result. Now we take another problem. Here is another problem. X square minus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. Find the value of 2 decimal place. Find the value of this equation 2 decimal place. So again the same method we will apply. Comparing one and 2, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to minus 10. C is equal to minus 10. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to minus 10. And therefore x is equal to minus b. B means minus 5 plus minus root over b square minus 4 a means 1 into c minus 10 by 2 into a means 1. A means 1. 2 into 1. Then what is the result? 5 plus minus 25 minus 1 plus 40 plus minus root over 65 by 2. Now we have to find the value of root 65. Value of root 65. What is the value of root 65? Value of root 65. How we will find? In this problem, we need to find two decimal place. That means at least we will obtain from root 65 get 3 decimal place. How we just check? 65 means 8. 8 is to 8. 64. 8 is to 8. 64. And remaining is 1. Now we put double it, 16 point. For using point we get 2 zeros. So 0. 80 and 60, 160. Then 10,000. Hence 6. 6, 36, 6, 36, 96, 4, 7, sharp. That's been 8 point. 8.062. Therefore, root 65 is equal to 8.062 approx. 5 plus minus 8.062 divided by 2. That means 1 is 13 point. Therefore, 1 is x is equal to 5 plus 8.062 by 2 is equal to 13.062 divided by 2 is equal to, divide it, 13.06. Two decimal place, that means 6.53. two decimal one solution. Another solution is x is equal to 5 minus 8.0622. That will be minus 3.0622 equal to minus 1 point divide to the 1.53 minus, since you have to find out two decimal places, so we will take till two decimal places and then we divide the result. So it is simple, just you have to find the value of root 65. So what is the process of value of root 65? Take square of any number. 8 square is equal to 64. 1 will be remainder. Then you will put point, and for point you will get not single zero, you will get double zero. Double zero you put the 100. Then in double this figure, 8 becomes 16. 8 becomes 16, and then you will find the value. What we will put this value? 0 and 0 result. Then 100 remainder, we will again get double zero for point, and this way its process will goes on. Just double it and put the figure, multiply it again if remainder, then just double it and again you put the figure and just multiply it, and by this way you will get the value of any root over figure. Now then you just put this value two decimal place and plus minus, and you will get the result of. So here we get two figures. This problem is come in 2013 in your board exam I.C.S.E. In 2013 this problem has came. 2013. Now for this you will get for one value is 6.53 and another value is minus 1.53. So in the next class I will discuss more on Sridhar Acharya's method, and we will take more 2-3 problems, and then we will move on to next chapter. Okay, so still if you have any doubts or any confusion, please comments. If you not understand something, please comments, and definitely we will share this class with your friends. Subscribe, like it. Thank you.